Okay, hello, it's your boy Alan Forex. Remember how we did top-down analysis on NZDUSD the other time, and we gave two possible scenarios. Who can remember the first scenario? Okay, so the first scenario was that firstly we have our trend line, so we expected price to bounce off this trend line, but we gave two scenarios. We said that if price was supposed to bounce off this trend line, it is going to react at this point here, at this point where we have the inner gray bar. So if price did not bounce in that particular zone, it is going to give a fake out, and that fake out is going to reach into this zone. Nothing has been changed. If you go back to the video, you will see that all of these points are corresponding, and we notice that price did not hold into this zone, but price came and held into this area. So price gave a fake out actually, and is now returning back up. So what can happen is that now price may actually successfully break this trend line and is on its way to the downtrend. So that can be a possible scenario, because now we have had a small change, but I don't think this is much of a thing, because this is an internal higher high. You see now, it is an internal higher high, which, so this high has not broken above this high, so therefore this one does not really have enough strength. But however the case, if is that price successfully breaks this zone, this low here, then we have now a valid change of character. We have a valid change of character, because this zone is a major zone. This one is an internal zone, so it does not really matter since it has been broken though. But we see that price is now reacting to this, is now reacting from this point actually, and it is going up. Now two things can happen. Price may decide to react from the trend line, you see, from this trend line zone, and come all the way back down and break this zone, or price may continue to push upward and continue its trend. Yes, so that is it, guys. So price may continue to push upward and continue its trend. Now what we need to understand is that whenever you are trading the market, always have a plan A and a plan B, because if you do not have a plan A and a plan B, your initial plan may sometimes be wrong. So what are you going to do if market goes against your predictions? It's always important. That's why you need to be able to know your risk factor, your risk tolerance, your patience, how far you can wait for price to bounce back into your direction. Because when you may place a trade, market may when you place a trade, market may not go directly to your trade at once, you see. So how is your patience? How much are you willing to wait for price to revert back into your zone of profit? So always take into account this thing, guys. So however be the case, I am expecting price, let me see, okay. So whatever be the case, I am expecting price to at least touch this trend line, and from this point now we are now going to see what the market wants to do, whether it wants to go down or it wants to go up.